Honourable members, can I have order? Can I have order?
No,
Malawi Today.
Mwina ena nkumafunsa kunena kuti kodi chikuchitika ndi chiyani mnyumba ya malamulo. Anthu amenewa amafuna kumenyana chifukwa chiyani? Nkhani yaketu ndi
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Black box, keep quiet.
Akuti black box keep quiet. Iwe black box khala chete. Sitikuzowa kuti akumunena ndani, koma ni nkhani yonena kuti pamene government whip anayima kufuna kuyamba kuyankhula, zinapezeka zonena kuti kumamveka Kunkuyu akulongolola chakumeneko. Ndipo iyeyo ananena kuti iwe black box khala chete ndikufuna kuyankhula. Nde zimenezi zinayambisa mapokoso mnyumba ya malamulo. Anthu amenewa amafuna kuti mpakana amenyane ndithu, ndipo parliament inavutiratu. Chanzeru chimene anapanga Asami Suleiman, omwe ndi speaker wa nyumba ya malamulo, anangothesa nyumbayi kuti nthawi yowerukira yakwana, basi tiye tizipita chifukwa sizinali bwino. Ndi nkhani yomwe yachitika mnyumba ya malamulo. Zimene zimachitika mnyumbayi pena zimapereka phwete komanso zimakhala zosangalatsa. Ndipo inu tungukupemphani kuti muone mmene zidaliri mnyumba imeneyi pamene anthu amenewa amakangana.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Black box, keep quiet. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. I have the floor. I have the floor. Right Honorable Speaker, I need your protection. Right Honorable Speaker, I need your protection.
Honourable members, can I have order? Can I have order?
No,
Honourable members. Honourable members, it is now 5 o'clock. I adjourn the House to tomorrow at 9:30. House adjourned. Honourable members, I wish to inform the House that this morning we had a swearing-in ceremony of the newly elected members of Parliament following the by-elections which were conducted by the Malawi Electoral Commission on Tuesday, 30th June 2026 in 3 constituencies, from which the following emerged as winners. Honorable James Makumula, member for Baraka Mulunguzi constituency, representing the Democratic Progressive Party. Honorable Makumula, if you're in the House, please stand. Congratulations and you're most welcome. You may take your seat. We have Honorable Precious Pempo Kabambe, member for Lilongwe City Bwaila constituency, representing the Malawi Congress Party. Please, Honorable Precious Kabambe, you may stand. You are most welcome and congratulations. We have Honorable Ishmael Louis Japan, member for Machinga Migoko constituency, independent. Honorable Ishmael Japan, if you're in the house, please stand. You are most welcome and congratulations. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Honorable members, the swearing-in ceremony was presided over by His Lordship, the Honorable Deputy Chief Justice Lovemore Chikopa SC. May I take this opportunity to once again congratulate you for your success during the by-elections, and let me welcome you to this august house. I wish you all the best as you will be serving the people of this country as honorable members of parliament for your respective constituencies. Honorable members, following these by-elections, we now have a full house of 229 members. This marks the end of my announcement. Thank you.
General business, item 2B, questions to ministers for oral replies by resolution of the House made on Tuesday, 7th July 2026.
Yes, leader. Are you rising?
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Good afternoon. And let me also join you in congratulating the newly elected members of this August House. From our side, we will say congratulations and welcome on board. That said, Right Honorable Speaker, I wish to waive I wish to vary the order paper so that we start with questions and the Department of Disaster. I beg to move.
Leader, you may wish to guide. You said disaster questions. On which page is that of the order paper? 119. Okay, all right. Honourable members, we are going to questions on notice to ministers for oral replies, starting with question 119 to the ministry responsible for disaster management affairs, coming from Mzuzu Southeast. Mzuzu Southeast, please confirm. Mzuzu Southeast, are you in the house? Mzuzu Southeast. Leader, Mzuzu Southeast is not in the house to confirm the question. You may guide.
Then we move to questions under Ministry of Transport and Public Works.
Thank you, Leader. We now move to questions to Ministry of Transport and Public Works. Question number 123, coming from Kasungu West. Kasungu West? Yes, I see you, Kasungu West. I was worried. Thank you. Please confirm.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. I just raised to confirm that the question 1, 2, 3 is indeed come from the people of Kasungu West, whereby Dr. Senior Chief Ilokwa, Gogo Jiwe Mwase, Senior Chief Ayamba. Indeed, I think people from there will appreciate once the minister consider this law. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you very much. That's Kasungu West. Minister of Transport and Public Works.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, and through you, let me thank the Honorable Member for Kasungu West for the question. The question is asking the Minister of Transport and Public Works to provide progress made on the Linga Mtundwara Road and whether Kasungu National Park Road will be upgraded. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to inform the Honorable Member that the Linga Mtundwara Road had been earmarked for design and construction with funding from the Millennium Challenge Corporation, Compact 2. The House is well aware that the second compact of the Millennium Challenge Corporation was cancelled following the changes in the administration of the United States government. However, considering the importance of these second compact roads, my ministry has taken them on board and will be implementing them in phases depending on the availability of resources. In the short term, my ministry, through the Roads Authority, will continue to maintain these roads to make them passable throughout the year. On the Kasungu National Park Road, my ministry, through the Roads Authority, is in the process of procuring a consultant to do a detailed engineering design for the road. Once these designs are finished and funds identified for construction, my ministry will procure a contractor to implement the construction works. I thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Transport and Public Works. I'll take 3 supplementary questions. We start with Neno East. Neno East, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for giving a chance to Neno East to ask a supplementary question. I would like to ask the Minister of Transport the criteria used when constructing a tarmac road. I have in mind a 10-kilometer road from Zalewa turnoff to Lisungwe Community Hospital. This road is in a bad shape, and if government can consider constructing this tarmac road, it will help the road users, especially ambulances, which carry patients from Lisungwe Community Hospital to referral hospitals. I submit, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Neno East. Indeed, that road is very bad. I once went on it. And it's a very, very old road that we need to consider. Minister is taking note. I trust him. Let's now move to Mzimba South.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for allowing the people of Mzimba South to ask a supplementary question. My supplementary question to the Minister of Transport is regarding graders. But firstly, let me also thank the Minister of Local Government for allowing Mbewa District Council to buy a grader using the development fund for local authorities. What you have done as the Minister of Local Government, you have done great things for the people of Mbewa and Mzimba as a whole. My question to the Minister of Transport is regarding the specification which district councils have sent to PVHO. I understand that before they advertised to get suppliers who they can buy graders, they sent a request to your department, PVHO, so that they can give them specifications as to the type of grader that district council can buy. In our case, as Mbewa, we were aiming to buy 2 graders, one for Mzimba South and the other one for the other part of Mzimba North. So I wanted to understand from your side, based on the mysterious statement that was also given yesterday by the Minister of Local Government, they're doing it fast, but your PVHO department has not responded to the councils in terms of specification of graders that are supposed to be bought. Finally, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you so much, and I want also to thank Kulukuta Moyo and his team, the lead of government business, for allowing me to pass through the police cell. It was good. It was good, and I've learned a lot. The good part, Mr. Speaker, for me was that where I slept is where Kulukuta Moyo slept. So this time around I've graduated. Anytime I'll be in that site and that seat. Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. That was a lighter moment. Thank you.
Thank you, Mzimba South. I'm impressed to hear that Mbewa has bought a grader and you intend to buy another one. I think this is something that we should all emulate. And I wanted to say this, Honorable Minister of Transport and Local Government and colleagues, ministers. I have a feeling that sometimes if it was not for the bureaucracy that we have, this country could be way ahead than where we are today. Some of this bureaucracy, the delays, unnecessarily delays, just to give specification for a grader, you want to go through 10 offices. I think this country will not develop if we continue with this. So please, ministers, please, ministers, we have a legacy to leave. Some of these officials in our offices are not doing justice to our citizens. We need to take charge, and time is now. We need to change this system. Thank you so much, Mzimba South. Lastly, on this will be Mulanje West. Kweni, Honorable Kweni, your time. You have the floor.
Thank you so much, the Right Honorable Speaker, and through you, I would like to ask the supplementary question to the Honorable Minister of Transport and the Right Honorable Vice President of the Northern Region about the Nkando Mulomba Road. Where the status of Nkando Mulomba Road, we heard that you are going to start April last month to upgrade it. It's only 42 kilometers from Nkando to Mulomba. The road is in a bad shape. And this road is the one which supports people from Palombe, Mulanje North and Mulanje West, and especially the business people who are feeding Blantyre with a lot of things, talk about rice, talk about pigeon peas, all those things which are needed by the people in Blantyre as well as those business people at Nkando, Palombe, Boma. So this is the road. It's really in bad shape that even a cyclist cannot even use it. So I'd like to ask the Minister of Transport where the status of this road, since April up to now, nothing is happening on the ground. Thank you so much, the Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Mulanje West. Before you sit, I know you're sitting, but I wanted you to say something on the Kumutchula Bridge. Any progress?
Thank you so much, the Right Honourable Speaker. Indeed, nothing is taking place, but I didn't want to ask the Honourable Minister of Transport because I've been visiting the place twice. And the contractor has been talking about Forex so that they can finish up the Kumutchula Bridge. So since the minister has been visiting the place twice, I thought maybe it might be disrespect to the minister, since he knows the problem of Kumutchula Bridge. That is a bridge which connects Mozambique and Malawi, and it connects the whole Mulanje district. The shortest route going to Blantyre, as well as the shortest route from Blantyre going to Mulanje. And this is also, this road takes people to the tourist areas like Mulanje Mountain, if they want to go to Sapitwa, if they want to visit some of the establishment in Mulanje district, they use this Kagame Road from Nkando Bridge. So it's really pathetic that the road hasn't yet finished. There were those potholes which I filled up with, we had to ask one transporter to fill up the potholes so that we should not even be involved in accidents because it was really very bad. So, Right Honourable Speaker, you are just one in a million that you had to talk about some of the people, because some of the people from your constituency also they use this road if they are going for some enjoyment in Mulanje Boma. This is the tourist area. So the Minister of Transport, as much as I do salute you that you visit that place, but there is no progress on the bridge. Thanks so much, the Right Honourable.
I've seen the minister is paying attention. You'll see him again tomorrow there, I'm sure. He loves that bridge. Yes, Honourable Minister, you have those 3 questions.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. And through you, let me thank honourable colleagues that have asked questions, beginning with the Neno East. She would like the road from Zalewa to Lisungwi Community Hospital upgraded to tarmac road. Right Honourable Speaker, I know this place very well because I did the Lisungwi Bridge, so I'm very conversant with this particular area. As much as government would like to upgrade that road to bitumen status, the current situation is that it may not be done in the short term. It requires medium term for us to address this road. But in the meantime, we'll make sure that the road is upgraded to an all-weather road. That I would like to assure the honourable member that will be done. But in terms of tar, she will have to be a bit patient, wait until the resources are identified to undertake that kind of upgrade. Zimba South, PVHO, vis-a-vis specifications. I was not aware, but now that you've raised the matter, I will quickly take it up with the directorate. I am one of those people that do not believe in this bureaucracy that drags progress, unnecessarily. So we will take the matter up quickly to make sure that the specifications that are required are provided to the council. And I would like to congratulate Zimba District Council, Mbera District Council rather. Yes, that is the way to go. It will enable the council to undertake routine maintenance on your own. without necessarily bothering the central government. Congratulations. Keep up the good work. Mulanje West, Nkando Mulomba Road, I am aware, I've been there, we've spoken about it. Just to assure you that we will, ensure that that road is also an all-weather road. Putting it out will take a bit of time because of the lots of competing needs, competing demands. But to make sure it's graded and it's made to an all-weather road. That we're going to do. As for Nkando Bridge, the matter to do with Forex was not brought to my attention. And as you know, these are issues that affect the Reserve Bank of Malawi. But in order to assist the contractor, I will speak to the Reserve Bank to see how he could be assisted through his bank, of course. It's in my interest that that bridge is completed, and actually by now it should have been, done with that bridge. So if there is an occasion by lack of Forex, we will engage the RBM to help the contractor so that he can deck the bridge. I would like to thank you. To also indicate, Right Honorable Speaker, that the periodic road maintenance that we launched about 2 months ago is up and running. We should not expect that we'll complete all the potholes in a month or two. It will take a bit of time. We gave contracts to 81 contractors across the country so that they can help us with this routine maintenance. I hope that by October end or thereabout, we should be done with this periodic road maintenance, particularly all roads that are tarred. That would be my assurance to this August House. I thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Leader of the House. Chikwawa West, what's gone out of order? Switch on your mic, Chikwawa West. You have the floor now.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Is it in order that the Minister of Transport can conclude answering questions to his ministry without talking about Chabananga Bridge? And is it in order that, Mr. Speaker, I did not ask me about Chabananga Bridge, how Chabananga is. Is it in order, Right Honorable Speaker? Thank you.
Chikwawa West, it's not in order. In fact, it's not in order that I don't see that question in the order paper. So make sure that Chabananga Bridge and Chabananga Road are always in the order paper. But indeed, very important. It's a valid point of order. And I don't know if the minister would want to say something, or he has taken note.